The EBB, EBA, and ECG are axial-type air cleaners. The ECG Konepac air cleaners can be upgraded to the Radial Seal EPG series or the PowerCore PCD. Here are the recommended service steps. Step 1. Check the filter service indicator. Filter service indicators mounted on the air cleaner system are recommended for monitoring the air cleaner restriction level and indicating when servicing is due during normal operation. Replace the filter only when the restriction level has reached the maximum recommended by the engine or equipment manufacturer. If the restriction level is in question, or to test the initial restriction, remove the filter service indicator and measure the system restriction using a clock-type restriction gauge or a water manometer. For more on Donaldson restriction indicators and measuring tools, see Module A18. Step 2. Remove the old filter gently. Handle the dirty filter gently until it is clear of the air cleaner housing. Accidental bumping will shake dirt loose inside the filter housing. Be sure to block the seal tube with a clean cloth so that dirt is not admitted. Step 3. Clean the inside of the housing. Always clean the inside of the housing. Dirt left in the air cleaner housing can potentially damage your engine. Engine manufacturers say that it takes only a few grams of dirt to seriously damage an engine. Step 4. Always clean the gasket sealing surfaces. An improper gasket seal is one of the most common causes of engine contamination. Make sure that all hardened dirt ridges are completely removed, both on the bottom and top of the air cleaner housing. Step 5. Check for uneven dirt patterns. Your old filter has valuable clues to dust leakage or gasket sealing problems. A pattern on the filter's clean side is a sign that the old filter was not firmly sealed or that a dust leak exists. Identify the cause of that leak and rectify it before installing a new filter. Step 6. Inspect the new filter before installation. Check the new filter, but don't install it if it appears damaged. Check that the gasket compresses easily and springs back promptly when finger pressure is released. Ensure that the filter is the correct size for the housing. Step 7. Install the new filter. It is important to change the new supplied cover gasket with each filter service. Make sure that the gasket seats evenly. Step 8. Ensure an airtight fit on all connections and ducts. Check that all clamps and flange joints are tight, as well as the air cleaner mounting bands. Attend to any leaks immediately to avoid dirt entering your engine directly. If the vehicle is fitted with air brakes, it is important to check the clean air supply hose which feeds the air brake compressor. To conclude our training module, let's summarize the service steps presented. Check the filter service indicator. Remove the service cover if applicable, and then remove the used primary filter. Clean the inside of the filter housing with a damp cloth. Clean the gasket sealing surface. Inspect the used primary filter. Inspect the new filters. Install the safety filter, if applicable, and then install the primary filter. Check the entire air system for worn or loose components. This servicing information is provided as a best practices guide. It is not, however, intended to replace or supersede the service instructions supplied by your engine or vehicle manufacturer.